Imagine yourself in this 2006 Chevrolet Avalanche. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, premium wheels give a more luxurious look. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Enjoy the comfort of dual temperature controls. The sunroof lets fresh air in. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: passenger airbag, stability control, daytime running lights. Call today to schedule a test drive.